In this video, you will learn how to dry produce using an electric dehydrator. We will use carrots, mushrooms, and apples to demonstrate various pre-treatment and drying steps. Before drying the produce, use a pre-treatment step. This will help with the quality of your dehydrated produce. Boiling water blanching is a pre-drying treatment that can be used for most vegetables and firm fruits. The purpose is to inactivate produce ripening enzymes and improve the dehydration process. Fill a large pot with water and bring to a boil. Use 1 gallon of water for every 1 pound of produce. In this example, we have placed a perforated basket in the pot. While the water is heating up, prepare the produce. In this example, we are preparing carrots. After washing the carrots under cool running water, cut the carrots into uniform size pieces between 1/8 and 1/4 inch. Uniform size pieces will dry evenly. Add the prepared carrots to the boiling water. The water may stop boiling due to the addition of the cool vegetables. Return the water to boiling and then start a timer. Carrots will be blanched for 2 to 4 minutes depending on the thickness of the cut. Once the blanching time is complete, remove the carrots from the boiling water by lifting out the perforated basket. If you do not have a perforated basket, use a slotted spoon to remove the produce or strain in a colander. Shock the carrots by submerging them in ice water or running under cool water. This will stop any further breaking down of the produce cell walls. Leave the carrots in the ice water for 2 minutes. Remove the cooled carrots from the ice water using a slotted spoon or straining in a colander. Place the carrots on a paper towel lined tray and pat dry to remove as much water from the surface as possible. Sufficiently blanched produce will be pliable or able to be bent. Using an acidic solution is a pre-drying treatment that can be used for most fruits and vegetables that would lose their structure if blanched. The purpose is to inactivate ripening enzymes and improve the dehydration process. Prepare an acidic solution using either ascorbic acid crystals, citric acid, or lemon juice according to the correct ratio. Here we are preparing mushrooms. After washing the mushrooms under cool running water, remove any woody stems and cut the mushrooms into uniform sized pieces. Dip the mushrooms in the acidic solution for 10 minutes. Remove the mushrooms from the solution, drain, and pat dry. Here's another example using fruit. After washing the apples under cool running water, cut the apples into uniform size slices between 1/8 and 1/4 inch. Cut out any bruised spots. Dip the apples in the acidic solution for 10 minutes. Remove, dry, and place in a single layer on the dehydrator trays. Season with cinnamon or other flavoring if desired. After using a pre-drying treatment on the vegetables, it is time to fill the dehydrator trays. In this example, we treated sliced carrots by blanching in boiling water. And in this example, we treated the mushrooms in a bottled lemon juice solution. Arrange the vegetables in a single layer on the dehydrator trays. Do not stack or overlap pieces, as this will cause the vegetables to dry unevenly. Dried vegetables that have wet spots can be a food safety risk. Dry the vegetables in the dehydrator at a temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the dehydrator, the drying process can take between 8 to 12 hours. Periodically check the vegetables for doneness. Dehydrated vegetables will be brittle, like the mushrooms that are easily snapped, or hard, like the dried carrots. After using a pre-drying treatment on the fruit, it is time to fill the dehydrator trays. In this example, we treated the apple slices in a bottled lemon juice solution. Arrange the apple slices in a single layer on the dehydrator trays. Do not stack or overlap pieces, as this will cause the fruit to dry unevenly. Dried fruit that has wet spots can be a food safety risk. Dry the apple slices in the dehydrator at a temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the dehydrator, the drying process can take between 6 to 12 hours. Periodically check the fruit for doneness. Dehydrated fruit will be pliable or bendable, but the pieces will not stick to themselves when folded or to other pieces when stored.